I want you to imagine something for a moment. You wake up, stretch your arms, get out of bed, and feel strong. No struggle, no hesitation, just strength and confidence in your body. Now, what if I told you that this is absolutely possible, no matter your age? If you've been feeling weaker lately, if climbing stairs feels harder, or if you notice your muscles just are not what they used to be, do not worry. You are not alone, and you can do something about it. Today, I am going to show you 5 foods that will help rebuild your muscles and keep you feeling strong. Let's get into it. 1. Eggs. The first food on our list? Eggs. And no, they're not just for breakfast. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein you can get, packed with essential amino acids that help repair and rebuild muscle tissue. They also contain vitamin D and B12, both of which support muscle function. Now, here's the key. Do not just eat the egg whites. The yolk has important nutrients that work alongside the protein to support your muscles. In addition to their protein content, eggs are a rich source of leucine, an amino acid that plays a major role in muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as a spark that ignites muscle growth. Studies have shown that consuming enough leucine can help prevent muscle loss as we age, making eggs a crucial part of a senior-friendly diet. And do not worry about cholesterol. Moderate egg consumption has been shown to have little effect on heart health for most people. So, next time you cook breakfast, make sure to include whole eggs, whether scrambled, boiled, or poached. 2. Salmon. Next up, we have salmon. This fish is loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. You see, as we age, our bodies do not repair as quickly as they used to, and inflammation can slow down muscle rebuilding. Omega-3s in salmon can help counter that, making it easier for your body to stay strong. But that is not all. Salmon is also rich in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. This means less muscle fatigue and better endurance, helping you stay active and energetic. Additionally, salmon provides essential B vitamins, which help convert food into energy and support muscle metabolism. If you want to maximize the benefits, aim for at least 2 servings of salmon per week. You can bake it, grill it, or even enjoy it in a salad. Wild-caught salmon tend to have higher omega-3 levels and fewer contaminants compared to farmed salmon, so it is a great choice if available. If you are not a fan of salmon, other fatty fish like sardines or mackerel can offer similar benefits. 3. Greek yogurt. Now, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This is not your average yogurt. It has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, and it is packed with calcium, which helps keep your bones strong alongside your muscles. The best part? It is both fast-digesting and slow-digesting proteins. That means it helps with muscle recovery after workout and keeps your muscles nourished even when you are resting. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is essential for proper nutrient absorption, which means your body can make better use of the protein, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady release of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night. This makes it a great option for an evening snack to support overnight muscle repair. If you want to enhance the benefits, try adding a handful of nuts, seeds, or berries to your Greek yogurt. Nuts add healthy fats and additional protein, while berries provide antioxidants that help fight inflammation and muscle damage. For the best results, opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars that can lead to energy crashes. 4. Beans. Now, you might not think of beans as a muscle-building food, but they absolutely are. Beans are a fantastic plant-based source of protein, and they are loaded with fiber and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles, ensuring they get the energy they need to function properly. Magnesium plays a role in muscle contraction and relaxation, reducing the risk of cramps and stiffness. Potassium helps prevent muscle weakness by maintaining proper electrolyte balance. What makes beans even more powerful is their combination of protein and complex carbohydrates. The slow-digesting carbs provide a steady release of energy, which can help fuel your workouts or daily activities. This is especially important for seniors, as energy levels can fluctuate throughout the day. Different types of beans offer slightly different benefits. Black beans and kidney beans are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, while lentils are packed with folate, which supports cell regeneration and muscle repair. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, contain a good amount of both protein and fiber, making them a great option for sustained energy and muscle support. The best part? Beans are incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, soups, or stews, or even make a delicious bean-based spread like hummus. Whether you're eating them as a side dish or making them the star of your meal, beans are a simple and effective way to support muscle health. 5. Nuts. They may be small, but they are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E, which help with muscle recovery and reduce oxidative stress. Nuts are also a great source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which support joint health and reduce muscle inflammation. Almonds, for example, are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports skin and immune health. Walnuts provide a unique combination of omega-3s and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory effects that can aid in muscle recovery. Cashews contain zinc, an important mineral for muscle repair and immune function. Even pistachios, often overlooked, offer a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that help sustain energy levels throughout the day. The key is moderation. Nuts are calorie-dense, so a small handful is enough to get the benefits without overdoing it. Whether you eat them as a snack, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into smoothies, nuts are a convenient and tasty way to support muscle health and your well-being. Staying strong as we age is not just about lifting weights or exercising. It starts with what we put on our plate. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and keep your muscles working for you. The choices you make today will determine how you feel in the years ahead. If you have enjoyed this video, then I recommend you click on this video. I bet you will love it. See you there.